Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. So Apple just released the Big Sur 11.2.1, so if you have a problem with your device, check for updates. This is very important update, and the reason being is that the 11.2.1 addresses an issue that may prevent the battery from charging in some 2016 or 2017 models. So this is a very important update if you have the MacBook Pro from this year. So luckily my MacBook Pro from 2015 is fine, the battery is okay, no problems whatsoever. But as you can see, this is a very important update. So if you have a MacBook Pro from 2016 or 17, check for updates and let me know in the comments down below if after you're updating the problem is fixed now. I will not update 11.2.1 at the moment because I'm still running the 11.2, and the reason being is that I will still testing the 11.2. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what do you think, and if your device is being okay. I'm gonna keep you posted and I'll update you. I'll do the follow-up video probably after a couple of days. I'm still testing my 11.2. But yeah, as always, this is Stefan. This was a quick video just to update you about this issue, very important issue. Yeah, check for updates and let me know in the comments down below if your device is fine now. So as always, this is Stefan. See you in the next video.